Where did you buy this?
We made it. Electronics.
You just made it today?
When designing an audio experience for children, there are so many possibilities. We needed to see how they interact with sound in their own environment.
We went to museums, parks, and game center. We watched them play, and we played with them. We found that at the cross-section of children and sound is play. So the natural extension of the research was the design of a toy.
Humans are naturally tactile creatures, especially children. This is how we explore the world when we're small. We wanted to combine all our senses, touch, sight, and hearing, into one delightful object for new play experience. We call it Orb. With Orb, we envision several modes of interaction. In free play instrument mode, children have the chance to be themselves, touching, hitting, exploring Orb alone, and with others. In memory game, we offer a constructive play mode. Cognition and coordination are trained by repeating a pattern with increasing difficulty. For the construction of Orb, numerous technologies were required. We chose Arduino as the core technology and later got an MP3 decoding shield. We designed an LED matrix, and finally we added capacitive touch.
We think children will enjoy the concept of Orb as much as we do.